Wait, this can't be right. Humans are 50% banana?
Let me double check this. Recalibrate the equipment. Run it again.
The results are confirmed! This is absolutely incredible science! You share half your DNA with this banana. Isn't that amazing? But wait, there's more. You won't believe what else I found. You're 95% identical to a mouse. How is that possible? And 60% the same as a chicken. The pattern is incredible. How is this even possible? What does this mean for all life? Let me show you the amazing secret of DNA. It's like magic. DNA is like a recipe book for life. Same ingredients, different recipes. All life uses the same 4 letters, A, T, G, and C. We all came from the same ancient ancestor, billions of years ago. Imagine one giant family tree connecting every living thing on Earth. That banana is literally your distant cousin. Say hello to family. Isn't this the most beautiful thing you've ever learned about science? This changes everything we thought we knew about our place in life. We're all connected in this incredible web of life. We're family. If we're family with all living things, we need to take care of them. We can protect our genetic relatives and keep Earth's family healthy. What other amazing connections will we discover? The future is exciting. Next time you eat a banana, remember you're greeting a distant relative. Hello, cousins. Hello, family. We're all part of life's amazing story. Subscribe to Wonder Labs for more incredible science discoveries. Join our family.
Wonder Labs, meet our scientific crew.